Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see a short paragraph named is How to make a phone call. Okay, let us start. Nowadays everyone has a mobile phone. The mobile phone is a very useful device to get connected with others. In order to talk with your friends or family near or far, you can use your mobile phone. There are so many ways to make a phone call. First of all, let's see the way of calling a pre-saved contact. Suppose you have your father's phone number saved on your contact list. Now you want to make a phone call to him. You need to open his contact number and need to click on the dial button. If you are using a touch screen phone, then you can touch on the call option. It's very easy and simple. Then you need to wait a couple of seconds for connecting with his phone. If you have not saved his number, then you need to open your call dialer and put his number. Then click to dial option. It's also very easy. We suggest you save all the important contacts in your phone because it's not possible to memorize all the numbers. Making a phone call is very easy and simple. Anybody can make a phone call from any phone. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel if you think it's useful. Thank you.